Hello guys, my name is Dylan. My YouTube channel is Deirdre Post, and today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing some 4x4 linear systems advanced notation. So this isn't going to be much different from our previous videos, except we're just going to do it slightly different. So we're going to start our problem by drawing a bracket. Now, instead of x, y, z, and w, it's going to be x of 1 plus x of 2 plus x of 3 plus x of 4 equals 8. It's going to be then negative 3x of 1 plus 2x of 2 plus 2x of 3 plus x of 4 equals 3. Then it's going to be 2x of 1 plus 3x of 2 plus 2x of 3 minus 2x of 4 equals 5. And then it's going to be x of 1 minus x of 2 plus 3x of 3 plus 2x of 4 equals 13. Okay. So now we're going to do the exact same steps as we've done in our previous videos. Because it doesn't change the problem that much. All it does is just makes it so you can continue farther. Because normally you'd only be able to do the max of 26 by 26, meaning that you'd run out of letters. But here you can go infinitely because there's an infinite amount of numbers. So let's just continue as we've done in our previous videos. Let's draw a bracket. It's going to be x of 4 equals 8 minus x of 1 minus x of 2 minus x of 3. Okay? Now it's going to be negative 3x of 1 plus 2x of 2 plus 2x of 3 plus x of 4 equals 3. 2x of 1 plus 3x of 2 plus 2x of 3 minus 2x of 4 equals 5. Then it's going to be, lastly, x of 1 minus x of 2 plus 3x of 3 plus 2x of 4 equals 13. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to replace x4 with 8x of 1 minus x of 2 minus x of 3. So let's get started into that. Let's draw our free bracket. Going to be negative 3x of 1 plus 2x of 2 plus 2x of 3 plus 8 minus x 1 . Okay. Now that's just line 1. You gotta do the rest of the lines. So that's supposed to be a minus. A minus 2a. Okay. Now for the final row. Plus 2x of 4. Or 2. 8 minus x minus 1 minus c. x1, x2, x3. Equals 5. Okay. So now we're going to do as we did in our previous videos. And we're going to do some multiplication and multiply these together. So let's get our bracket. So, and it's going to be negative 3x of 1 plus 2x of 2 plus 2x of 3 minus 16 . Oh, 3 plus 8 minus x1 minus x2 minus x is 3 equals 3. is going to be 2x of 1, 3x 2 plus 2x of 3 minus 16 plus 2x1 plus 2x of 2 plus 2x of 3 equals 5. And for the last row, it's x of 1 minus x of 2 plus 3x of 3 plus 16 minus 2x of 1 minus 2x of 2 minus 2x of 3 equals 13. And now what we're going to do is we're going to group the multiplied numbers together. So if you don't understand what that means, well, you're gonna see. So we're gonna draw a bracket. And now let's see. 3x to the 1, 3x of 1 and then negative x1 or minus x of 1 or x of 1. That's going to be negative 4x of 1. Okay. So now 2x of 2 minus x of 2. That's going to be a plus x of 2. And then the next one is a plus x of 3 equals 3. Now carry the positive 8 over, making it a negative 8, so it's 3 minus 8. Okay, and then it's going to be 4x of 1 plus 5x of 2 plus 4x of 3 equals 5 plus 16. Okay. Then for the last line, it's going to be a negative x of 1 minus 3x of 2 plus x of 3 equals 13 minus 16. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to do this quick and easy and simple math on the side over here. So the beginning of the problem, or this bit of the problem up to the equal sign does not change at all. It's going to be negative 4x of 1 plus x of 2 plus x of 3 is equal to 3 minus 8. Let's see. So it's 3. We're adding to negative 8. So it's going to be negative 5. Okay. And it's going to be negative 4x of 1 plus 5x of 2 plus 4x of 3 equals 5 plus 16. That's going to be 21. Okay. For the last row, it's going to be negative x of 1 minus 3x of 2 plus x of 3 equals 14 minus 16. That's negative 3. Okay. So now that we've gotten to our simplified 3 by 3, we're now going to make it into an unsimplified 2 by 2 in the next 2 steps. So first, we're still going to draw our 3 by 3 bracket. It's going to be x of 3 equals negative 5 plus 4x of 1 minus x of 2. Okay? And then the rest of it stays the same, so it's going to be 4x of 1 plus 5x of 2 plus 4x of 3 equals 21. Negative x of 1 minus 3x of 2 plus x of 3 equals negative 3. Okay? And now this is the part where we make it into a simplified 2 by 2. So let's draw a bracket. It's going to be 4x of 1 plus 5x of 2 plus 4 negative 5 plus 4x of 1 minus x of 2 equals 21. And it's negative x of 1 minus 3x of 2 plus negative 5 plus 4x of 1 minus x of 2 equals negative 3. Okay. You're probably going to need a new sheet of paper, so pause the video if you don't have one on hand right now. Okay, so you probably now have your sheet of paper. So let's continue our problem. So now what we're going to do is we're going to multiply our numbers. So it's going to be, oh, and just a forewarning, the numbers do get pretty big in this problem, yeah, numbers get pretty big and hard to keep track of. So, okay, so it's going to be 4x of 1 plus 5x of 2 minus 20 plus 16 x of 1 minus 4x of 2 equals 21. Okay? That's going to be negative x of 1 minus 3x of 2 minus 5 plus 4x of 1 minus x of 2 equals negative 3. Okay. So now we're going to group them together. And we're going to make a 2 by 2, then we're going to solve our problem. Okay. And just to let you know, we're not going to need any more paper unless you write bigger than this, because all it is now upcoming is just 1 by 1 lines. So yeah, we're not going to need any more paper unless you write a little bit bigger. Okay. So now it's going to be 20x of 1 plus x of 2 equals 21 plus 20. Okay. And it's going to be 3x of 1 minus 4x of 2 is equal to negative 3 plus 5. Okay. So now we're going to do the math on this side. And boom, it hasn't taken us that long, and we're already on the 3 by 3 to the 2 by 2. So it's going to be 20x of 1 plus x of 2 equals 41. 3x of 1 minus 4x of 2 equals negative 3 plus 5, which is 2. Okay. So now let's draw our bracket. This is the last time we're going to use this bracket, and then we're going to do the 1 by 1 brackets. So it's going to be x of 2 equals 41 minus 20x of 1. 3x of 1 minus 4x of 2 equals 2. Okay. Now we're done with this bracket, and we're gonna go into the super tiny bracket, or the 1 by 1 unsimplified bracket. So it's going to be 3x of 1 minus 4 41 minus 20x of 1 equals 2. Then it's going to be 3x of 1. Now this part you might need to do some math on the side. It's going to be 3x of 1 minus 164 plus 80 at 80 x of 1 equals 2. Okay, now we're going to combine it. So that 83x is equal to 2 plus 164, which is 166. Now, you might be wondering, oh, that doesn't work because this is not true. But x, this does work because x then has to be equals to 2 because 83 times 2 is 166. So x is 2, which then means that, or x of 1, and then x of 2 equals 1. And then x of 3 then equals 2. And then x of 4 then equals 3. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.